Alright, YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Heavy Meats, and I'm back again with a, as y'all can see, hitch, I don't even know what the fuck to call this, POV, I guess. Just basically, hands-free, basically, hands-free. So, we give y'all a quick walk around real quick, and then we're gonna get right into it, man. Right into it. Let me show y'all the big Torqstorm, you feel me? Big Torquey Orky, and we got the turbo guard on there too as well. So we do got the turbo guard on there as well. So that's how the Torqstorm looking. I feel like, I hope I'm not straining anything. I don't think that's enough. Yeah, hopefully I'm not straining anything. I don't think I am. I've been running it like this for a minute. All right, let's get right into it. As y'all can see, we do got the red eye hood. I like a red eye. I like a red eye. A little chilly now. All right, let me see if the view look good. Y'all can see, like, the car is kind of, I need to do the fuel pump, bro. So I'm gonna stomp it, or I'm gonna try to stomp it. Hopefully we don't slip a belt. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, so hopefully we don't slip a belt and everything goes as planned. Trying to see if the view is good. They saying I got an hour of footage though, so that shit, it sound like the motherfucker. I need to get them. Definitely need to put some gas in this motherfucker. I don't know why I feel like I'm going so fast. I'm only going 40, bro. be smooth, cause 12 be all around her. Yep, there go one right there. And what I was just telling y'all, I'm finna give y'all a pull here in a second. It's like when you know, then I know. My dash cam might be cooked. I don't know what the fuck been going on with this thing lately. Maybe my cord from having it bent. That motherfucker been tweaking lately. Maybe my cord. Shit so damn bouncy. I want to go a little bit lower in the back too, man. I definitely want to go lower in the back. We're gonna pull up to the gas station. We're gonna put some gas in here too. It's like I can hear the fucking axle, like kind of. I don't know what the fuck that is, but I already went and took it to the shop. They said it was the axle though, so clear as day the axle. Niggas think that shit light? Awesome, boy. Tear my shit up if you want to. These niggas think this shit light. Alright. Put some gas in this bitch real quick. Gotta grab the key so motherfucker won't hop in that bitch and take off. Skirt off. You know? Hold on, let me. Alright, y'all. So this is just basically a chill. Like chill. This is chill. So hopefully y'all enjoying this content. This is some chill shit. Look at that. $445 for some premium. Yeah. $445 for some premium. Let's save us some. Let's save us some. Oh y'all, also I got a PC too, man. I might use my PC for editing. Bro, the new fucking chargers and scats, bro. Them bitches be sounding so good, bro. These niggas think that shit like. And BRZ. Yeah, I want to see how much 25 get us on a supercharged motherfucker. All right, all right, all right. These niggas think this shit. That motherfucker sound good. Woo! That sat sound good. I said scat sound good. Alright, y'all. Let's get back into it. Damn, we in all-wheel drive. Let me come out of that. I ain't know I was in all-wheel. Let me come out of that. I ain't trying to put too much strain on the axles. Y'all see this in the flip of a button. Flip of a button. Rear-wheel drive. No, not you.
Please try again.
Cancel. 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 Come out of that motherfucker was finna That motherfucker was finna snatch. I don't know what second gear on these cars is fucking insane, bro. Second gear on, like, you do a fucking downshift from a second gear on this bitch.
Y'all, my goddamn GoPro just died. It was a hands-free. It was hands-free at first. Nah, it's not. These niggas think that shit light. Blow the engine out that Lexus, man. Relax. Alright, y'all, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that pretty calm POV. Yeah, we still working on some stuff, but once we get all that squared away, get this fuel situation squared away, then y'all pretty much already know how we coming. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.